There are certain foods around the world that can pose a risk if not prepared or consumed correctly. Here are some examples. 1. Raw honey. Unpasteurized honey can contain granotoxin, which can lead to dizziness, weakness, excessive sweating, nausea, and vomiting that last for 24 hours. 2. Nutmeg. In large amounts, nutmeg can be toxic and cause hallucinations, convulsions, pain, nausea, and paranoia. 3. Potatoes. Green potatoes and the sprouts, stems, and leaves of the potato plant contain solanine, which can cause nausea, headaches, and neurological problems. 4. Almonds. Bitter almonds, as opposed to common sweet almonds, contain cyanide and can be deadly if consumed raw. 5. Fugu, pufferfish. This Japanese delicacy is extremely poisonous if not prepared correctly. Only licensed chefs are allowed to prepare it. 6. Cassava. Also known as yuca, this root vegetable contains naturally occurring cyanide. It must be cooked properly to remove the toxins. 7. Raw cashews. Cashews in their natural state contain urushiol, a chemical also found in poison ivy. They must be roasted or steamed before consumption. 8. Elderberries. Raw elderberries, as well as the plant's leaves and stems, contain cyanide-producing glycosides, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and even more severe symptoms. 9. Rhubarb leaves. The leaves contain oxalic acid, which can cause kidney problems. Remember, these foods are generally safe when prepared and consumed correctly.